Ek word weer Yeshua, good morning, walking in his footprints. You know, it's interesting to note that the Father did not even spare his own Son, but gave him up on behalf of all of us, as we read in Romans 8, verse 31 and 32. So the scripture continues to say that if he gave us his Son, how much more will he give us if we trust in that deed and the sacrifice? How much more will he give us, and how much more will he do for us? 1 Corinthians 2 verse 9, no heart, no ear, no eye has seen, no ear has imagined, and no one's heart has imagined all the things that God will do for those who love him. Now Yeshua also had to, so sometimes we have to be taught, despite this love, we have to be taught through discipline. You might think that I find myself in this difficult position, and why? Why do I always have to struggle? Why do I, most of the time, have to be disciplined by God? Why doesn't he just allow me things? Because he loves you and me. That's why he does it. If he did not spare his own Son, because remember Mark 14 verse 35 and 36, Yeshua said, Father, you can do all things. Why can't this pass me by? Can't this cup pass me by? You can do all things. Can't you sacrifice somebody else? But then he said, yet not my will, but your will. So even Yeshua, our Messiah, the firstborn, in whose footsteps we strive to follow, had to learn discipline through sacrifice. And if you and I follow in his footsteps, and we find ourselves in difficult situations, just remember, we don't have to sacrifice our lives, because he already did so. And because the Father loves us so much, he continuously guides us and instructs us by Yeshua who's in us. So less and less of me and more of Yeshua who is living in me, because Yeshua and the Father lives in us when we trust and when we walk in this trust. So by walking in his footsteps, we sacrifice a lot of things. And we don't sacrifice it for a cup at the end of the day or a medal. We sacrifice it because we love God, because he loved us first. He chose us and he loved us. Ek word weer Yeshua. My grace and shalom be ours in full measure.